Hi guys, now we're unboxing this new X570 chipset motherboard for AMD Ryzen processors. It's the new chipset supporting PCI Express 4.0 and it is AMD Ryzen 3000 series ready. Here is the back side of the box. And this is the motherboard. Let's see what's below. Ooh. It's a big number of stickers to show them on your case. Installation guide, instruction manual, a CD with drivers, a metallic badge of Aorus, and the usual cables. Here is the board. It's heavy. Oh, it's quite heavy. How nice. This here are two regular radiators with thin fins. They have a very large dissipating area, so we can presume that they will cool the VRM quite nicely. And I don't know if can be seen, they both are connected with a heat pipe. And that is why this is so heavy. And on the back side we have a massive backplate for supporting, and yeah, I think it's only for support. Yes, it's only for supporting the motherboard, that it doesn't bend. 1, 2, 3, as we saw, M.2 slots. This one is regular 80mm and these two should be 110mm, so you can add very large devices. The chipset is X570, which supports PCI Express 4.0, so you can add the new NVMe drives with excessive speeds, something like 5 GB read speeds or something. And here is the cooler for the chipset itself. It has a fan underneath, but it is masked, and the board is very nice. So that's it. Thank you.